So here we are about to enter a new year that invites new energy, new opportunities, new potential, new ways to live and express ourselves, perhaps new ways to serve. Certainly it is time of year, as well as nurturing ourselves and looking after ourselves, to also get excited about the potentials that are waiting to unfold through us. So as our Advent booklet described recently, let us embrace our perfect right to forge a new path in this new year, to explore uncharted territory perhaps, to take up space where we can fully express who and what we are. Because as we do this, we invite and encourage others to do the same for themselves. So being January in Unity, we have plenty of opportunities lined up for you to get excited about and take part in. We have our vision boarding Saturday workshop on the 7th of January, where Ildiko, our minister in training, will use her skills as teacher and creator to help guide each one of us through, via meditation and release work, a learning opportunity of what has gone before, and to bring into manifestation our dreams and desires for this new year. We have our Burning Bowl service, which for us at Unity Maidenhead is going to be on the 15th of January. And here again, we are invited to release the old and really claim the new, to step up and step into all that we are and all that is desiring to be known through us. And we also have more opportunity to study with us through Unity. We have great teachers and ministers. And my husband, Paul Mapletoft, who is training to be a minister as well, is setting up to teach a class on Bible overview of the Hebrew scriptures, really looking into the writings, the wisdom, who wrote what and why and who to. Because when we get that historical perspective, it can mean so much more to us. So we've got lots to be excited about. We've got retreats planned, workshops planned, more study classes, and our ongoing daily meditations and prayer meetings. So let's just take a moment to get excited, to feel that energy coursing through us, and know that as we come together in our spiritual community, that unity is, we are all blessed. And even more importantly, our world is blessed as new opportunities, new potentialities unfold through us. We are excited to be part of this journey with you. Bless you.